Remember you had the 215s and the C-pillar wall.
C-pillar, yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, I stepped it up a little bit.
Fourth order, or sixth order?
Sixth order, yep.
Oh, so you got bandwidth now.
Yeah, it plays pretty low. Yeah.
Okay.
It plays down to 20, but I actually snapped the tensile lead recently, and I resoldered it.
Oh, no.
Because I think it was over-excurting, you know.
Okay. Oh, man.
But yeah, it's two. I'm going to give it a thing.
Yeah, give me all the info, yeah.
So I got two SSA Evil 15s on a Sundown 7500 at half ohm. I got a Rockford 300.4 and a Synergy 100.4 for the doors and the speakers. And all the speakers are pretty much DS18. And I got a Singer 240. And yeah, 160 amp hours of Yinglong.
Yinglong, okay.
Yinglong,
Oh,
yeah.
that's a lot of
Those
lithium.
things are, the voltage actually only drops like 0.3, like from 14.6 to 14.2.
Wow.
It's pretty crazy,
That's
actually.
good.
Yeah.
Awesome. Have you metered it yet?
It does a 56.
56.
At 33.
33 hertz. That's a good
Yeah,
speed.
it's pretty decent for 215s. You know?
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Awesome.
I just painted the inside white, put some LEDs. It looks pretty decent.
It looks good, man. Yeah.
Thanks.
Did you build it?
Yeah, I built
Really?
it.
Awesome.
Yeah.
It looks good.
Nice wood
What kind of
roofing.
finish is this? I know some people would
This
like
is
to see that.
actually a what they use on bar tops. It's called a glaze,
Okay.
or like an epoxy.
Mm-hmm.
They sell it at Home Depot. It's called a glaze coat.
Glaze coat. Okay.
But, yeah, it makes it real shiny.
Yeah.
You know, real durable too.
Awesome.
It doesn't really scratch very easily.
Okay. And you got
Yeah.
some speakers here too, instead of just the doors?
Yeah, these actually help out a lot. I didn't finish this yet. I got a couple more things to just paint, but functionally it works.
That's right.
Functionally it works. I'll roll your window down.
Sure.
Just like that.
All right.
Baby, I'ma be your motivation.
I found a song here. Hold on.
Sit back, relax. You're about to get rustified.
Me and my bitch, I swear we like the same sex.
Dude, you can see the huge jump difference from window to window adjustment
Yeah,
too.
yeah,
So.
it really, actually if you open your door, I'll play you something like lower, and it really likes like the mid-20s.
So it opens up with this door open?
Yeah,
okay.
Yeah, open that up.
Sweet.
I'll play you, let's see. Oh, this song is pretty good. Yeah, the lows, it really just pushes all the air out.
I think I'm a dumb. You niggas know what up, you know I'm ballin', yeah. I'm in the streets, I keep that heat, you know that I be steppin'. I miss the north just like my granny.
that thing has got bandwidth, man.
Yeah,
Awesome.
it does pretty nice. Yeah, I'm really happy with how it is.
That sounds
Like I said,
great, dude.
Only 215s, you know?
Yeah, I know. That's impressive,
yeah, it
man.
actually
And you're doing
does
56s too.
56 at 33. I think it does a 54 at 26 also.
Okay.
So it's pretty
wow.
flat.
Yeah,
pretty
flat.
flat response rate.
Awesome.
But,
What
yeah,
are the specs of the box?
I'm not really sure. I originally had it tuned at like 25 in the back and like 40, like mid 40s, upper
Yeah.
40s. But I messed around with the back tuning and to get
Okay.
it where I like.
Yes,
it
sir.
was a little big. The port was a little big in the back.
Yep.
So I shrunk it.
Okay.
And I'm not sure. It's tuned in the mid 20s in the back and then maybe upper 40s in the front.
So you haven't really done too much tweaking to the port, or are you happy with where it is?
I'm pretty happy with how it is now. Originally, I messed around with it. I made this smaller, bigger, and I kind of like this, you know, with this angle design. I still get the port length. If you see, I made this, you know, pretty long here.
Yeah.
So get the length.
That's right. So you had it tuned a little bit lower.
Yeah, exactly.
Awesome.
So yeah, that's pretty good for 2.
Appreciate it, man. I'm gonna go check out the amps real quick too.
Yeah, no problem. Yeah.
Thanks for the demo, man. What was your name?
Mike.
Mike. All right. That's a lot of lithium.
Yeah, 160 amp hours. They say this can support like 15K, and I got, you know, only 7,500 on it.
Which makes you efficient. So keeps clean power.
Yeah, the voltage I think didn't go below 13.8 right there, so dropping a little bit lower, but no problem.
Nice band design.
Yeah, it works really good because if you see the amp has the vents on the side,
Yeah.
so the amp, the fan blows the air here and along the bottom and also in the middle because I have it spaced up a little bit.
Yep.
It works really good. I turn those on, it cools down in like 2 minutes.
Good airflow.
Yeah.
And it pops at night with the LEDs.
Yeah, it does. You can't see it now. The sun's doing the popping right now.
That's right. Yes, sir.
But
Appreciate it, Mike.
no problem. Thank you, man.
To find.
lows, it really just pushes all the air out.
I think I'm a dumb. You niggas know what I've been on about. I'm in the streets, I keep the heat, you know that I be steady. I miss the north just like my granny.
What's going on, everybody? This is Jacob Viral, ending this video to say thank you for watching my videos. Every single day I have a daily cardio video I upload. So if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and notification bell, and I'll see you tomorrow.